Hi friends, welcome to your channel DIY Home and Living. Today we are going to learn how to make an organizer with a waste cardboard box. So let's begin. We are going to use this cardboard box to make the organizer. Firstly, cut the open top ends as shown. I believe that creativity is making marvelous out of the discarded. We will join the top vertical cardboard cutouts with the help of a paper tape to get a strong base of the box. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. This quote inspires me to make the best out of waste. Place it at the bottom of the box. Here I am using curtain eyelet rings. Take the curtain eyelet ring, trace it and cut on both the sides of the cardboard box. These round holes will help us to lift the box easily. Now I am taking an old Cordra jeans and cutting it. Apply paper tape and make the cardboard box firm using it. Being a minimalist, I like to use what I have rather than buying on new things. Now I am covering the box completely using the Cordra jeans, just leaving 2-inch gap on the top corners of the box. Now cut the jeans at the places where the curtain ring eyelets have to be placed. For more such amazing DIYs, do follow us. Follow me on Instagram handle and on the Facebook page. Links given in the description. Affix the curtain ring eyelets on both the sides. To cover the organizer from inside, I am using a cloth bag after cutting its handles. This bag can be easily washed and placed back again whenever required. This is a multi-purpose organizer box. You can use it either to store your towels or to keep your clothes and whatnot. Do comment below and let me know what else this can be used for. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Doesn't it look something like purchased from market? If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do take good care of yourself.